Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about 5 car noises you should never ignore for multitudes of reasons, but there's often reasons that you really need to get these looked at to prevent damage to yourself, as far as you or your family, harm to the vehicle or to other folks around you that are driving near you. Let's start off with chirping or grinding noise from a wheel. Can often be a wheel bearing failure. Last thing you want to do is have a wheel separate from the vehicle. Could be obviously a very dangerous situation. Second safety issue for you in the car also is brakes, grinding metal to metal. Brake components, you can have caliper failures if you get too far into a rotor, etc. We don't want you folks getting hurt out there, so if you're starting to hear brake noises, get the vehicle in and have it inspected by a qualified technician. One that can damage the vehicle is engine noises internally, tapping, grinding, loss of oil pressure, valve noises, etc. You want to have it looked at right away, prevent further damage to the motor. Cooling system overheating, blown hoses, stuck thermostats, leaking water pumps, these items need to be looked at properly. Along with exhaust smells, CO can be a deadly killer. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.